Today I'll show you how I'm gonna be making a wheelbarrow, and I'm gonna use an empty juice container. I'm gonna start by cutting it. I'm gonna glue this together with hot glue. Please be careful, it's hot. I'm gonna spray paint this with red spray paint. And now I'm gonna cut out 2 of those and 2 little pieces of wood. After cutting 2 of these out and 2 of these pieces of wood, I'm gonna sand them down. I'll paint them black. So I got one of those wheels from the hardware store. I'm gonna put it on the bottom, and I'm gonna mark where I'm going to put the holes in. The nuts that I'm going to push through the holes. The nut on, and all of the other ones too. Now I'm gonna take one of this, some hot glue, and put the other one on the other side. It's 2 pieces on. Right on in here. Now here I have some sand and stones, and over here I have the wheelbarrow.